Good afternoon. How are you?
How about you?
Yes, I'm doing well too. Tell me more about you.
Okay, ma'am. As you know, my name is Susmita Kaushik. I'm from UP currently. Basically, I'm from Assam. About my qualification, now I'm doing master degree as well as I have done PGDC as a computer course also. I'm a mother of one person. Now nowadays, I'm also running YouTube channel, ma'am Global English Quest. That's all about me, ma'am.
Okay. So do you need my introduction?
Yeah, ma'am, please, ma'am. I know, but if you give introduction, then I feel happy.
Definitely, yes. So my name is Shantha and I live in Karnataka. So I'm originally from here itself. Then I've been running my YouTube channel. It's been around 7 months, which is English with Shantha, and I basically post conversations and other stuff related to spoken English. My educational qualification, I am a computer science engineering graduate. I also worked as a software engineer before jumping on to be a spoken English trainer. So yeah, that's all about me.
Wow, that's great, ma'am. I knew about you, but I feel happy now after knowing you. Baby, please.
नहीं.
So how is your day shaping up? Has it been a busy morning?
Yeah, it was busy morning because holiday started. So we are from basically Assam, so we have to go to Assam. So yeah, packing
Oh,
and shopping is going on nowadays.
okay. Right,
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Mm.
How's the weather there, ma'am?
The weather is getting better here. It's not very hot now. It's getting better. Around maybe
Okay.
36, 37, maybe the average temperature. It used to be very hot, but now after a couple of showers, it is reduced.
Okay, but here it's very hot.
Okay, what's the average temperature?
Yeah, maybe 45.
45. Okay.
Yeah.
So you intend to go into the teaching field. Is it
Hello.
settled
Sorry,
now?
ma'am.
That's okay. Even I have my son. I just put on the TV for him. So I just told him, okay, because I didn't receive your mail for some weird reason. I don't know. So I told, okay, I am going to come play with you. And then suddenly I checked the mail and your mail was there. So I told him, you please continue watching the TV. Give me some more time. Yeah. What's he doing now?
Yeah, he's inside with his papa.
Yeah.
Hello.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yes. How old are he, ma'am, your son?
My son is 5.
5. Okay. Maybe he is little. I know about what are you saying.
Yeah, he
He
knows that
understand about.
I have my sessions and he's not supposed to disturb me unless, of course, there is an emergency. But other than that, he understands. Now he's trying to understand.
Yes, yes.
How old is
Maybe
your son?
he is 3 years old.
Yeah,
He is
that's too
little
young.
young. That's why sometimes.
Mm,
Yes.
Right. So how are you managing your studies now, having your son around?
Yeah, when he sleep, then I study. Otherwise, I teach him simultaneously. I also learn.
Okay.
Yes.
You're very pretty. Your facial features are very nice.
Oh, thank you so much, ma'am. You also very pretty and simple. I like you very much.
Thank you. Was there anything specific you wanted to ask me?
Ma'am, I just a normal question I want to ask. How do you manage? When you start, you already told about you have started with 7 months.
Yeah.
YouTube channel.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Tell me what is the main important things to progress our language? What we have to do exact or get better result?
To get better results, continue the same practice what you're doing till to reach this stage. Like listening and reading, very important. If you're interested and you have a little more time, you can practice writing as well. So in that way, it will be more creative for you to use all the input that you have. So once you write things, you remember them better. And when you're doing your speaking practice, which is at most important, so talk to different people on a daily basis, try to have conversations. That will improve.
Yes, I do. I do because yeah, nowadays I'm also running YouTube channel, so I get mails and I have a group also. So
Okay.
yeah, daily I talk with different peoples. Yes.
How is your
Yeah,
YouTube journey going on? Yeah, yeah.
yeah, I recently created before 2 months. So yeah, it's going on good, ma'am.
Hmm.
Yes. Yeah. Your English is really very good, ma'am. You learn personally a speaking course or ma'am, your is school from English or which kind?
Yeah,
How you learn so many?
I studied in English medium school, but yeah, we were encouraged to talk only in English as long as we were at school. But after coming back home, also my dad wanted that we continue the practice and improve on our English. So he made sure that he spoke with us in English when we were at home. So it became like a habit to us, first language to us when we speak. We by then we already knew our mother tongue, which is Kannada. But once we started school, we also started learning English and speaking in English to my siblings, my dad. So yeah, we had an environment. Mm.
Okay, that's easy for you then.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
was
it
easy
is.
for you. Okay.
Because when
Yeah,
you
do you
do
know
it from childhood, you don't feel that anything is difficult because it comes naturally and you don't even know you're learning things during your childhood. You're just learning, but you don't know that you're learning it. So it happens naturally.
Yes,
So
yes.
whatever you learn, if it is
Happiness.
in the childhood, it's very good.
Yeah, that is unknowingly we learn everything,
Exactly.
like our yes. Nowadays we have to, focus too many things and here in there.
Mm.
Nowadays we have to face lots of problem to learn this language. That's why I asked you how you learned.
Yeah, yeah. Nowadays, there's a
Okay.
lot of distraction also. You try to learn the language, you use the social media, you get, your thoughts get divided again, you get distracted. It's quite difficult now.
Yes, yes. Nowadays it's quite difficult. Okay, ma'am. Do you speak with your kids? Maybe you speak because your daughter can speak English.
Yes, yes. My both the children can. My son is too young. My daughter understands everything that I say and she can speak, but she has like grammar issues. Of course, she's a child and she's still learning. But my son,
It's
he speaks something, and there are some things that he doesn't understand, which he asked me because till they started school, I did not talk to them in English. We spoke only in our native language, which is Kannada. So yeah, now they are start. They almost know a little bit of English.
okay. Maybe do you know Hindi as well?
Yes, I don't know Hindi.
You don't know or you know?
I know Hindi. I know some of the South Indian languages. Yeah. Mhm.
Okay. Because there are no environment to speak Hindi.
Yeah, that's the exact reason when people say I don't have environment for English, how do I learn? But I didn't have Hindi speaking environment, but I know Hindi quite fluently. How?
Okay.
I don't know. Maybe some people around me spoke Hindi, and we studied Hindi as a subject in school as well. I think it was a third language. The first one was English, second was Kannada, and third one was Hindi. So I learned to read and write, and our Hindi teacher spoke only in Hindi. And sometimes here and there we spoke Hindi with people. Yeah, so I know Hindi as well.
Okay, that's great. You got lots of facility in your childhood.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
Yeah, you told about ma'am, you are engineer, software engineer. So are you doing job as well nowadays?
No, no. YouTube is my full-time job and homemaker. Yeah, that's all.
Okay. How you
Mhm.
manage, ma'am? You have a younger one also, family responsible, and YouTube also. YouTube have to be a consistent,
Yeah,
daily we have to conversation. There are lots of time we have to spend on that way. So how do you
yeah.
manage, ma'am?
Sometimes it is difficult, but the advantage of YouTube is that you can have three, four conversations today and upload one after the other. You have time. One day you can take a break. But when kids are around, it is quite
Okay.
challenging. It's very difficult to keep them away. But when they have school, it is easy for me. They go around 9 o'clock to school. They come back at 4. I try and finish household chores by 10 or 11 o'clock. So after that, 2, 3 hours I give to YouTube. Mhm.
Yes, yes. 2, 3 hours is very necessary.
Yes, yes.
It's required. Yeah, that is
And you
important.
need to do editing, uploading, even that is time consuming. It's not very easy
Yes,
to edit conversations because they are quite long. and you have to upload, you have to write the description. So it's not easy. At least 3-4 hours you need.
Yeah, you need.
Mm.
Yes, yes. Ma'am, who inspired you to open your YouTube channel? And
Not
yes,
exactly any person inspired me, because I worked as a tutor for Inktalki. There's a spoken English platform called as Inktalki. So I used to work as a trainer there. There I saw that learners would join and learn, and they had a YouTube channel. They would upload my sessions on their channel. So I thought of doing it independently, starting my own channel. So that's it. Nobody inspired me, but it's something I did out of my interest.
okay, that's great. Your channel is going on well nowadays, so fast. You told about running YouTube channel of have been 6 months, 7 months.
7 months, yeah.
Yeah, it's going on good. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I watch your most of the video I watch. Your simplicity and you're making understand to people. You're talking way I like very much. So I follow you from my initial time also.
Oh, you do. Thank you. And English, why English? Is it really important for you in your job profile?
Yes, ma'am. I used to teach as a computer teacher before marriage. So after marriage, we are living in a nuclear family. So my baby is so young. So it's my first responsibility to take care of him.
Take care of
And
your child.
I'm from Assam, so I did not get like an environment to speak
Mm.
English. I have done all education from Assamese medium. So
Oh,
it was my dream also, to speak English. And if I get chance to do again job in future, so definitely I will try here to do job. So that for
mm.
some reason there are my baby also grown up, so I have to teach him
Yes.
some
Yes.
reason. So I'm learning you nowadays.
So how exactly are you learning? Are you doing listening, reading? How are you learning?
I do 4 and 5 things: listening, writing, reading, speaking, and thinking as well. Because I found another way is thinking is most important.
Mm.
So yeah, I do all things, whatever I can do. I want to do my level best to grab
Mm.
everything. Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
So shall I ask you a few questions? We'll do a small
Yes,
activity.
yes.
So if you're open to it.
Yeah, yes,
Okay.
ma'am. Sure.
Okay, so I'll just give you a few sentences. Just listen to the sentence carefully. I will ask you to replace one word from it. Just use an alternative to that word and give me that sentence. A question, okay? I will go and tell her. Tell. So just use a synonym of tell.
Inform. Let
Yeah.
me inform her.
Yeah.
Oh,
Uh,
inform.
the next sentence is I got really nice gifts. So instead of got, what can you use? I got really nice gifts.
I
Got it.
received. I
Yeah,
received.
that's right. Yeah. Received is the word.
Yes.
I received really
Yes.
nice gifts. Okay. Next, it seems to be difficult. It seems to be difficult. So just replace seems to, seems in the word, in the sentence.
It's like.
It's like to be
It's like.
difficult. No.
It seems.
Appear. It appears to be difficult. Appears.
Okay. Yeah,
You
I
used
did
it,
not
right?
use this word.
You
Yeah,
never
I
used it.
heard about mention.
But I
Yeah,
think you
but I
don't
did not.
use it. Okay.
Yeah, I did not use it. Yeah,
Mm.
but
You
I
can use
heard
it.
many times.
It's quite a
Yes,
simple word, but when you use it, like it appears to be difficult, so that your language somewhat changes from like total
changes.
basic to a little bit upper level. So you can try that word. Okay, I bought a new dress. Instead of bought, what can you use?
I brought a new dress.
I bought, not brought, I bought.
I
Buy,
bought.
bought.
Okay. Purchase.
Yeah, right.
I purchased.
Yes, you're right. Okay, I have to go there. So instead of have to, what can you use?
I must go there.
Yeah, right. That's why I stressed have to. So instead of have to, you can use must. I live in a nice neighborhood. I live in a nice neighborhood. Instead of live, what can you use?
I stay.
Yeah. Stay can be used, and you can, even if you want to upgrade still, you can say I reside. I reside in a
I
nice neighborhood. Yeah. Because when you have your residence, which is your house, and it is has a nice neighborhood, so I reside in a nice neighborhood. Stay is also quite, yeah. Stay is also good.
yes.
Those were the questions. So I just wanted to, like, it's a fun activity to keep your brain thinking, right? Sometimes.
Yes, yes, it's happened. It's happened. It's we should do sometime this kind of
Yeah.
activity.
We should
Our,
do, and we will
our
remember. We will remember it for a long time.
long time. Yes, it's very helpful.
Mm.
Yeah, thank you
So
for
just
asking the
when,
question,
yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. If you have written
It
it
also
down, it will be beneficial for you. If you have written it down, just revise it so that some new words, or like you can replace the same old-fashioned words sometimes. So it will help you.
it will help. Yeah, our mind also fresh and will be active again.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Thinking. So sometimes it boosts your thinking. Sometimes it boosts you to think in English. So it puts pressure on
Yes,
your brain. Sometimes it is nice to give an activity.
yes, ma'am. That's it's happened sometime. It's very important.
Mhm.
That's why I wanted to talk to you for a long time, but sometime I did not manage my time. What time I exact free because my baby is so young, you
Yeah,
know.
exactly.
So
I think he will go to school in the near future. Maybe he'll start school.
yes. He is going to school.
Okay. Then I
Yeah.
think you can, take a sigh of relief. You will have some time for yourself.
Yes, but I can't give to someone, exact time which time I will be free. Because
Mhm.
sometimes I have to go to school, sometimes take him from school earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's happening because he recently started to go to school, so it's
Mm.
going on.
It's happening with me as well. That's why I'm not able to reply to people who are asking me for conversations, because maximum what can I say? Please wait. So that would seem kind of awkward. You reply to my message and that to just wait again. So it is my responsibility to give them date and time and join me at this time. So it's difficult for me as
Yes.
well now. But from June or July, they will start their full day of school. So at that time, I can be more consistent.
Yeah, their students get holidays.
2 months, April and May, summer vacations.
Okay. What about June month? June month is normal weather there?
June, it is like somewhat summer is coming to an end, but it is not totally gone. Maybe 15, 20 days in June also it is hot. But sometimes monsoon sets in earlier. We can't say about anything about June.
Okay, yeah. In here, May and June is totally hottest,
Oh, okay,
must
okay.
say.
Mm,
Yes.
right.
That's why here teachers and the students get holidays that time. May
Mm.
last and June whole month.
Oh, okay, okay. Here it starts mid-March, heat sets in. So mid-March, April, May is a holiday. Mhm.
Oh,
Okay, so anything else
yeah.
before we wrap up?
No, ma'am, I could learn many things from you today. Thank you for asking those questions. Oh,
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank
okay,
you
thank
so
you
much. It
so
was
much,
really
ma'am.
nice
Thank you.
talking to you. Have a good day. Good luck.
Yes. Have a good day, ma'am. Thank you for joining. Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye.
Bye.